Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam, da ka Oswell Suk, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babahatam nagabenta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but Shabari. Na benta ke jingkuli ke jingsio ka baret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ke education loan. Hila ruban sekolah ho number kendai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kendai pran riu laisan, ar riu kendai pra.
Kumshi bentaban plelat ya ki samla ki bala pendep ya ka jingpule nursing. Katanat ka kot ka khia jong sarkar jala harangkat ka jing Trei lang bat ka Navis Human Resources Private Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka. Bat ka Nurse Edge kin sa penlong ya ka Overseas Nursing Job Fair. Na ka benta ki samla Trei jala jong ka Meghalaya, ki ban sa Shajiet ban Leit Trei Shakari Japan, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, bat Shakiwede kiri. Haga jing keren bat kilat patai kubor haga lai puwei tarik unaitung arajar arpulai. Ka menteri jong katanat ka koit ka khia ka sarkar jela ka Dr. Pynrung lengdo. Kalaya tu baki don mentah hadu shi hajar ngut ki samla Pule ki bala pendep ya ka jing Pule nursing. Bat kitu ki bala pendep ya ka jing Pule ka bah nriu benai kila Pynrung Kyrteng yala di na ka benta ka ni ka job fair ka ban Salong Ha State Convention Center Shillong. Haga sau tarik unailar arajar arpulai.
Bangindon ya ko job fair lani kajing ya kendo jong barok kinos ki bamdon kam don jam lani ki basngau ba kila banyo ka kamai ka bakam he da ka bakidik Trei shaki jaka Shabari ti kandon ka job fair ha ka Sautrik khatwai biji ha convention center nakaliang ka jongi naka health department but nakaliang jong honorable labor minister ngin Trei shitom ban peg ba kaniga job fair kalong kababahan na kamta ginong song tingi aware ngi khot smubha ya baro kinos kiba shong halaki yeng klem kam klem jam ban wan ngila dep khot lupa ya ka application na kamta kaniga job fair lemba ka internet but kiba register bat ngi ki poh rusia jartam kita kamut ba ka don kata ka jingtrang ban yo kam yo jam tinggi kermen ba lemba kani ke lat ke bakin ai na ka skill development ke badai jong ke labor department ngin la ban yarap ya kinong song bakin yo ya ka kamai ka kaji ke bakam scam bat kin pendon kam ya kata ka skill ke bakila let ban Pule nadu lai snem shaning lada kadai ke BSc nursing ru lai snem lada degi GNM ki ANM ki ba long term programs tingi yu iru ba lesi ha ka nursing program ru hadin bangala let mga nakawai ke jaka ban let ya ka review ngin pet lada don kam ban pet ya ka curriculum jong kinos amar kinos usually ki shulet ki Pule bek tik tang ya ka nursing timenta ha kani ka global market ka bang yu i le ka jingple jong ka yau ka hat shaka perthai bro ko wai kapan i bale sing i de bendon compulsory language coaching ru tengkhat tang banik Trei sha South India ru lada film nang ya ka local dialect ka bhai phi namar ka Tamil lani ka Kannada lani ka Malayali ka long compulsory lada phikwa banik Pule sha phikwa lik Trei sha ki jaka tingim keren tang yaki nursing yaki language skill jung kinos Shabari even inside the country tingi don kam ban pet yaki ni ki changes ki bangi don kam ban wan lam lada phikwa ban ai kam ai jam lani ban play ka lat kalenti yaki breu ki basong ha ka jela jungi ki bala dep training kum ka nursing tingin ya ngap ya i labor minister deng ngin ya pet ke ai ka ba isngau kani ka fair kan ai kani ka fair kan le
Tenrei nakaliang ka jungi kum ka labor department ka jing ya don bentalang ha kani ka fair kulong ba Kaliba department hi ke department ya ke bangi pet ya ke mentaka ai kam ai jam. Kadil kita ki tikni ka fair kumba place ngoni minister mentan kalong kawe ka fair ka ba kanlong ka jingpli lat plinti na kamta kita kinas ki ba bakini Trei Shabar te nakaliang ka jungi kumka department du nakaliba department ngir kumba government kumga ong ipi ki babon bah ki unemployed youths menta kanika jela ka jungi te kadika kamram jungi kumka government ya ka bangin persan ngin wat lat ti ba kumnon ai kam ai jam iki te hot menta kasni ka de bat ka nursing habai de bat ka nursing ten re kumbong ipi ngidang wat kilat kiluti ngidang explore kiwi option ya ka bangin pe se bede bat kiwi kitam la bende kumbala place ngumne la bende ka transport bende kan ngono ka diang kan ngono bentaru te ni na ka department jungi ngi ya persangkat bala te ngkirman bakane ka job fair ka ban salong south rik kan long ka ke ba kan long ka jing job na ka menta ka jela jungi itu aku
haba man ka district lajan man ka district te ka don ka nursing school of nursing cha do shabak mara cha the sha west ka the ka riboy ti man usnem la kumno ka department kumbanga tip mga ka don kumba arspatam ki seats across no 160 across in all she's pa
That is in private also we have more.
she's pa reportedly ki seats ban let ya kana sim tin re ki kam ki numla ban don hadu kata tingi nakaliang ka jungi tingi simkya ya kandi namar phila train te ye ki citizens phila train te ki nong sosno ti habatang ki nos ki bayo training ki ba pass out na kita ki schools of nursing jong ka sarkar ki poi she's pa report ken saya ka rapsbun ken saya ka woodland ken saya gitu ki balik sa Guwahati ki balik sa Bangalore ki ba shimi ki Bangalore baper ngiyo iba ka investment la ne ka jing pulut jong ki pa ban pha no seng ye ki kon ru ka long ka ba he ba but bun na preng gini la kumno up to 60% ki shimmek da ka Bangalore ti kumno ngin shu ngap la dala ngi don kam ban yarap igini ki kon ki jongi ban yo iki kam ki jam ki bobyang ti balay ka sarkar ka kwale karpang na marba ladangi ka sarkar ngi wan ban bakle lem ken bat kita ki companies ki boper lada pimpen bakle manuhi ban not ban nai tingi dei ka sarkar bat nginsay niya kata ka jingya soy jong ki kot kisla ban kini ki company ban pet ba kabaling kong kung bakren i labor minister kato ka don ne ka safety yaki banle chata long ne yaki banle chata bat kinyo kata ka security ka baki don kam ti kataru ka ka way ka bagin ya soy bat kini ki companies tinre ka jing pulut jong ka sarkar ka bande 10,000 shikle iway i training hap don pat ka undertaking ken namaryo kitang dep kata ka training ki Leit Shabar tang hapreng rubanay gyong Leit paino siya kataru ngimla man siya namarba ka investment ka bangi ay kaday ka balabon nalor kata kanumdap hiresan 10,000 shikli kumbang ya keren mga bat ki companies ki bay kendo yang kan poi hi kumba si lailak ai tang ka training cost kabamut ba nakaliang ka sarkar kalaya surety 10,000 la ay the remaining amount pede kini ki company kin sa deduct na ka salary jong kini kinosken tikin sa deduct monthly kumbaya kren mangi bagi companies kan simpor between saubnai hadu unrubnai namar ka language skill nang tahap ai exposure ya ka culture jong ki habdon ki bawan ban batha baha namar UAE Japan kide ki bam dalong liberal than kita kiri Ray pindapit pede ka Australia what was the other country Germany kilong a little more Singapore very liberal they don't come ban expose ki trainees ro well ahead
Germany also
language is important anywhere you go except for Australia Singapore English is a conversant language. Em kata ka data ila depan lupa iwe par i journalist. Tinggi la ong bahak tu kusngi ngin se share bat pi ka data. Namar Kiwan training omtang ha ka sorkar mo. Kiwan training na ki private institutions ro. We'll give you the data. We'll share with you the data. Hadu mentaro she's pan rupo she snem te to kenpi. She's pan rupo she snem da day tang san snem ru. Kalapoy kat no. She hajar duna. Praspatam. Te lada kadai praspatam. How many jobs in the nursing sector? Katno, what is the total number of vacancies we have? Our total number of posts?
Depends, ma'am. Total nurses which we can engage in, overall, any time in the state would be somewhere around, not in government sector, more than 1,500 or 2,000, and in private sector it would be another 500 or some, maybe even 1,000 or 3,000 nurses. But if I'm not wrong, Nursing Council has around 12,000 registrations, right? Meghalaya Nursing Council has 12,000 nurses registered. But there
Job
is,
seekers?
No, these are members of Nursing Council. If you have graduated as a nurse in Meghalaya or there in Meghalaya, you have to register the Nursing Council. So the Nursing Council has around 12,000 members at any given point of time. We don't know how many of them are employed outside or employed here. So this fair will give us a fair idea.
Because we first have to engage with job seekers, no? Once the candidates come, then you can think ahead, because even the candidates themselves will present some of their, apprehensions and all that. Ki candidates ro kin dalawan ban register but mi kin ong ikin. Ladang gile chata kikmi kikpa ka ban kong kin kli. Kayeng kasam kabyang ni MEP ban sa te. Kabaar kalong ba to katno singi kin yo shuti hakashisnem. Kin la nem ban wan yeng. They can kalibon kijing kali. They will allow this bakan depshwa, then we will take a call on all those other things. No, vacancies is not related to this fair. Vacancies, you can see in the last nursing exam, how many people registered and how many people cleared? 5,000 people registered. And what were the numbers of jobs given? 202. So that itself gives you a clear indication that we have to start taking care of this as well. Because we are training people and then you're not giving them job, then it's not going to be a very good thing for any government to do. And hence we say, let us look at these nurses, because this is the biggest chunk of individuals. Of course, in agri and others also there are. Agriculture also has huge numbers of graduates, postgraduates in various disciplines of agriculture. At best, fortunately, recently we had the Atma opening, those on the job, on the field officials. So therefore, we are able to engage them productively also. So if you look at every department, I'm sure fisheries will also have a lot of numbers of individuals. I'm told even engineers. Even engineers are now, saturated in the government sector. So what do? Government cannot be seen as not taking any action. So here is an opportunity for us. We have engaged for under matrics. We have engaged with class 12 pass. A lot of the job force of the state of Meghalaya are working out. You must have seen during COVID, what were the numbers of returnees? It runs into thousands. Almost hitting 10,000 during COVID.
More than that.
Almost getting 10,000. So if 10,000 citizens of the state of Meghalaya are already engaged outside of the state in various jobs, then I think we should increase and multiply these opportunities again. Namarba, it's happening. Ma. Any other things, sir, you wanted to add?
No, I think
Constructions happening Kyrteng but arlang. Di hakas initial period ka baki Trei ka sarkar kan pensiu 10,000 ya ka training juki. Tamba ka training juki kalaban poi kumba arlak steng lailang majinglod jong kiniki trainees Kiba Trei bannet Shabar. Di menta the remaining kaba tam nang ta kajinglut ka jong ka training ka jong ki kinsa siuhi nakatulop la jong lada kaday silak steng arlang tita kamot gidi ban bu kulut lakum no ko ba arsan hajar lai po hajar shibnai ban pelut ya kani ka kos titang clear ya kata Kila yo shaladi kata katulop ka chungki. Kani gadai bet overseas 5 companies. Overseas 5 companies. Mdon kibangin pa hari India. Kani gadai bet overseas. We have not engaged with anyone for national placement of jobs. Kani gadai ka high-end job. Very qualified people going out of the country to work. Tingi ken lada ki ka average income ka jongki hadin bala didang ya kita ki ek bro kan poi kumba life hulak iwe inos ba in pa pisa siya yang shisnem tika investment jungi sanpo hajar ka long botet kin. So that is why ngiong ba government will participate by paying a partial amount of the cost for training of these nurses, language training plus etiquette and customary, cultural exchange. Sorry.